Hello neighbors, Steven here with etrailer.com. Folks, today we're taking a look together at this Superwinch Tiger Shark off-road winch with a wire rope and included roller Fairlead, and it's rated at 15,000 pounds. So folks, this off-road winch is designed for heavy-duty vehicle recovery applications. It has a sealed 6.8 horsepower motor, and it's a series wound motor, so it's going to efficiently deliver quick, safe line pulling, and it also responds to an increase in load by safely slowing down and reducing the current to help minimize the risk of overheating. Now that's also going to be enclosed like you see, so it's going to reduce the risk of damage from rain, snow, dust, those kind of things. Now getting into the winch, you're going to get everything you see here. You got the mounting bolts for it, you got the negative lead here, and if I spin it around, one thing to note on the side right here is you got this dust cover covering the plug right here for the winch remote that's included. So you got a nice long 30-foot cable here with the on and off toggle switch here on the remote to go in and out while you're using the winch. Now it also has an included free spooling clutch that's going to ensure fast rope payout and reduce wear and tear on the motor. So you would simply move this down and then you could toggle it out with the free spool. And then you just set it to the brake whenever you're ready to go inside, or set it back this way to pull it in. Now one thing to note is that this drum here can pivot as needed. That way when you install this, you've got your brake and your release and everything easily accessed from the front of the vehicle or trailer, wherever you're putting it. So again, that gearbox can be rotated. Now the wire rope itself on the winch is a nice 7/16 inch diameter. It's super strong and super durable, and it's also 82 feet long. As you can see, the big hook here, there's my hand for a size comparison, and then as always you get the nice lead here to help pull it out whenever you're in free spool mode. Now everything here mounts over this nice stainless steel roller and the fairing and everything. As you can see, you got rollers on all four sides. That way if you're pulling the line cable any direction, depending on where you're at, pulling out, recovering, it's gonna roll and not get cinched and mess everything up while you're pulling it back in. Now it does have a nice brushed finish over the whole thing here to help reduce weather and wear caused by the wire rope. It has an automatic mechanical brake which holds 100% of the load while minimizing winch creep. Now the sealed contactor here is going to transmit power from the vehicle's battery to the winch motor, and it has a nice all-stage all-steel 4-stage planetary gearbox here that'll quickly and quietly turn the drum. Now the whole thing here, as far as the black parts here, is extruded aluminum and that black textured finish over it on both sides here. That's going to make it sturdy and also corrosion resistant. And as I already mentioned, the stainless steel tie bars there and the hardware are going to add strength and structural rigidity to the body. And the heavy duty drum here is going to support the load tested and everything, the load that's on it and everything. Now, speaking of load, it's rated at 15,000 pounds static load, and the vehicle recovery capacity is 7,500 pounds. The motor here is obviously a 12-volt DC motor. Now, as far as some line pulls or line speeds, if you were doing no pounds at all, and it has a power draw of 70 amps, if you had a power or a line pull of 12,000 pounds, that power draw will jump to 330 amps. The gear ratio is a 262:1. And as far as some dimensions, I put them on the screen earlier, but I'll give them to you again. We're looking at 24 inches long overall, about 9 13/16 on the width. That's including everything up here, and about 7 13/16 tall on the drum part itself and everything. The rope again is 82 feet long. I know it's wire, they call it a winch rope, but it's wire. 82 feet long, again 7/16 inch diameter. The winch itself weighs 110 pounds. I can vouch for that as I put it here on the table. And it has a nice 3-year limited warranty on all electrical components and a limited lifetime warranty on all the mechanical components. So this is the Superwinch Tiger Shark off-road winch rated at 15,000 pounds, steel wire. I'm Steven. Thanks so much for watching, and stay safe out there while you're recovering.